Hello, Champion George Through Iron from the George's Life Cooking Show. In today's episode, we're going to be sharing with you once again a power-packed, immune-boosting dessert. How about that? Immune-boosting dessert. Say that 3 times fast. So let's get right to it. Before we go, though, to that, make sure you subscribe to our link below. Let the world know we're changing lives with these amazing recipes, and we love you guys. So here we go. Subscribe to the link below. So here we go. We're going to go through the ingredients, and then we're gonna make this up, and then we'll go from there. Okay. So first and foremost, these are some easy vegan brownies made with black beans. We got black beans. We have cocoa powder. We have almond flour. We have date sugar. We have walnuts. Walnuts, sorry. We have some vegan chips. We have some baking powder, baking soda here. We have some almond butter. Now, as we look here at the also, we're going to be using some of George's all-purpose barbecue sauce. That's the secret ingredient. Just about a teaspoon in these brownies. And you're going to be like, what? Barbecue sauce? I'm telling you, just that little bit. Excuse me. Just that little bit in there, it's gonna be awesome. And we're using some vanilla. Okay, so just getting back, antioxidant with cocoa powder. Almond flour is vitamin E, along with almond butter. We have date sugar, which is potassium, correct?
Correct.
We have the walnuts, which is good for the brain. It's good for brain health. They actually look like brain. Like a brain, if you look at the nut. Antioxidant for the chocolate. Obviously the beans are protein, and they help in what do you call it, the arthritis. And we talked about also heart healthy, the butter, almond butter. So, and I'm going to have a list of, at the bottom of the video, I'm going to have a list of all the ingredients, exactly what you need. Also, we're going to be using some coconut oil. So here we go. We're going to go and put this in. So the beans go in. We're using I keep saying vitamins, but we're using our Cuisinart food processor. So all these ingredients go in. Come on, get in there. Hop in, buddy. Almond flour. All these good ingredients. The date sugar. The nuts don't go in, and the chocolate doesn't go in. The rising agent, the powder, baking powder, and baking soda. Also, we're putting in the almond butter that goes in here. We got our oven preheated at 350, and we'll should be going about 20 to 30 minutes. And guys, this is going to be an awesome treat for the kiddos. It's an awesome treat for the grown folks. This is going to be an amazing dessert. And you go like, well, you're using beans? Just trying to tell you, it's out of control. A tablespoon of some coconut oil, melted coconut oil. I'm gonna put just a little bit more because it didn't quite fit, but a tablespoon of coconut oil. Bye-bye. So now what we're gonna do, also vanilla, a teaspoon of vanilla. Put that in. Boop. That goes in. We have our pan over here greased with some vegan butter. I'm gonna take a little bit of the George's all-purpose barbecue sauce, the mildly hot, just about a teaspoonful. And put that in here. That's the secret ingredient right there, y'all. That's the secret ingredient. Now, if you add more cocoa powder, it makes it more chocolatey. So we got a hot mess in here. It's not a hot mess, but it's good. That's that almond butter.
Kind of looks like, in the words of Johnny Carson, kind of looks like
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
Yeah, it does too. Together. Pulse it all together. It almost looks like a hurricane hit it. It smells divine, y'all. Wow. Let me just kind of do a little sample taste. Wow. Wow. That's kind of good. It's not real sweet, which is cool. I know some recipes call for some maple syrup, but I want to kind of keep this as clean as possible when we talk about, you know, any kind of added sugars. All of these sugars are in here, plant sugar. You probably could even do actually this recipe with actual dates themselves, but I actually use the date sugar. Go around one more time. Okay, we're back, guys. We did 25 minutes, and you can see here we cooled it for 10. So now we're gonna go ahead and cut into this bad boy. Oh, sooky, sooky.
Softness. Real soft.
Oh, sooky, sooky now.
Soft.
Oh, sooky, sooky now. Oh, sooky, sooky now. Oh, sooky, sooky now. Oh, sooky, sooky now. Okay, so now all we gotta do now is go boom here and boom there, and we got 12. Okay. Bing, bing, bing. Okay, now the hard part, if you will, is taking them out. That's the hard part. Let me try this bad boy. Let me try it.
You get that on
Damn. I'm sorry, y'all. I didn't mean to do that. Look good. This chocolate is a mug. Look at that, huh? Ooh-wee.
Need some milk. Need some milky milk.
They're creamy. Oh, Lord have mercy. These are creamy. Lord have mercy. Let me put another one up in here. Uh-oh, almost dropped them. Okay, yeah, we might as well go one more. What the heck? Here we go. There you have it. Real simple, easy, vegan, bean, chocolate, brownies. Out of control. Right amount of sweetness. The nuts. Chocolatey. Now you can always use carrot powder too and substitute for the cocoa powder. Let me tell you something, man. What? So with that said, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the link below to our YouTube channel. Like, share, let the world know. This is out of control. An amazing, immune boosting dessert. And keep in mind, in the link below, I'll post all of the ingredients and their benefits. Guys, this is awesome. Until next time, I'm George Duhart from George's Live Cooking Show. God bless you guys. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. Fired up.